Okay, please mark your present, students. Okay, done. See, we have completed our lesson number 3. Yes, and the question answers are also have completed. So today we are going to discuss some numerical problems based on that. Okay, so before that, tell me my screen is visible and am I audible clearly? Yes. Okay. Okay, so for solving a problem, you should know the basic thing, that is while solving a problem you should write whatever there is given in the problem. Okay, जे काही तुम्हाला दिलं असेल ते पहिल्यांदा लिहायचं आहे. Then a formula which you are going to use in that. Okay, then put a value in formula and you can get your answer. Okay, yes, so let's start. First of all, please write the formulas for density and relative density and pressure. Yes, please write formulas for density, relative density and pressure, and when you complete writing, let me know. As we have learned this, you must be knowing the formulas, right? So please write them. So whenever we solve the problem, you can directly get that. Get the formula and put a value in that. Okay. When you complete writing the formulas, please let me know in the chat box so that I can continue with your problems. Yes, please make it very fast. Mansi, Nidhi and Kartik. Yes, yes, the pressure formula also. Pressure is equals to force upon area. Okay. Okay, Mansi has done. What about the others? Nidhi also. Kartik, have you completed? Okay, so let's start. Mansi, will you please read the example number 1?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
The area of the bottom of a tiffin box is 25 meters square and the
No, it's
weight
not 25, it's 0.25.
is
0.25
okay, 0.25 meters square and weight is 50
Newton.
and weight is 50 Newton. Calculate the pressure exerted by the box on the shelf.
Okay. Okay. So Mansi has completed reading the problem. Okay. So you have understood what was the problem. Will you tell me the values given? Okay. What is there given in that problem? Do you have your book with you? Textbook? Yes. Tell me what is there in the given. First we will write area. Yes. Mansi, what is the area? Please tell me.
0.25 meters square.
Okay. And Nidhi, what is the weight of that tiffin box?
With the weight of the tiffin box is 50 Newton.
Okay. And Karthik, what we have to calculate? Yes? Yes, Nidhi?
Pressure.
Yes, they want us to calculate pressure. Okay. Okay. Like whenever you want to solve any problem, you have to write like this. Okay. Have you written this? Please make it fast cause I don't have very much space like you. Okay. Okay. Wait. Let me complete this. This type of problem is very short, so let me complete, then you can write. Okay, so we have to calculate pressure. Yes, so what is the formula for pressure? Who will tell me? Pressure is equals to, yes Nancy?
Pressure is equal to force upon area.
Yes, so here we will write a formula. Pressure is equals to force upon area. Now what we have to do? Now we have to put the values in that formula. Okay, so for force is equals to weight. Okay, force is equals to weight. What is the weight? That is 50 Newton. And area, what the area they have given? 0.25 meter square. As we already know that pressure is calculated in the unit Newton per meter square. Okay, कोणत्या युनिट मध्ये आपण प्रेशरला कॅल्क्युलेट करतो? न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वेअर. So our answer will be in Newton per meter square. Okay. आपलं जे काही आन्सर येणार आहे, I will write it here. That will be Newton per meter square. So will you calculate 50 divided by 0.25? Yes, start calculating. 50 ला 0.25 ने डिवाइड केल्यावर काय येणार? Yes, write your answer in the chat box. युनिट कसं कॅल्क्युलेट करणार आपण? प्रेशरला युनिट काय असतं? न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वेअर. ओके, दिस विल बी युअर युनिट. Yes, when you divide 50 by 0.25, you will get 200. Okay, 200. So your answer will be 200 Newton per meter square. Sorry, I have not mentioned here per. Newton per meter square. Okay, चला start writing. लिहा पटकन. Okay, done. Yes, everyone, please make it. Okay. Okay, so let's start the next one. Okay, now the next, the second one is. Okay, Nidhi, will you read the second one?
Yes, ma'am. Calculate example to calculate the relative density of iron. If the density of water is
10 raised
10
to 3
raised to 3 gram per meter
kilogram per meter cube.
kilogram per meter cube and the density of iron is 7.85
x 10
into
yeah,
10 raised to 3.
into 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube.
Okay. So what we have to calculate the relative density of iron, and what they have given, the density of water is 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube and density of iron is 7.85 into 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. Okay. Yes, and what they have asked you, relative density of iron. So relative density of any substance is equals to density of that substance upon density of water. Okay, so let's start. Yes, let's start. Write the given. What is given over here? Yes, density of water. Yes, Rudra, tell me what is density of water over here?
Yes, miss. 10, 10 cube kilogram per meter cube.
Okay, 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. Okay. Next, what they have given? Yes, Mansi,
Yes, teacher.
what they have given next?
Density of iron.
Yes. And what is it? How much it is?
7.85 into 10 10 raised to cube
Okay. 7.
kilogram per meter cube.
Okay. 7.85 into 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. Yes. These values are given. And Nidhi, what we have to find out?
Relative density of iron.
Yes. Relative density of iron we have to find out. So who will tell me what is the formula of relative density of substance? What about the others two, Karthik, Vedant? What happened? Okay, Rudra.
Yes, miss. Relative density is equals to density of substance by density of water.
Okay, and what is the substance over here? What is the substance over here, Mansi?
Yes, teacher. The substance is iron.
Okay, so we will write density density of iron upon density of water. Okay, density of water. Now you have to put values in the formula. What is the density of iron? 7.85 into 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. See, I don't have the space, and this water is 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. So what you will get? This 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube and this 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube will get cancelled. Okay, because they are in the dividing position. They are dividing. So they will get cancelled and your answer will be 7 7.85. Okay, your answer will be the relative density of a substance will be 7.85. Yes, understood? Understood everyone? Okay, start writing. When you complete, please let me know. Uh, if I give you same problem related to this, can you solve it? Yes, will you solve it? Okay, if you have completed this, should I rub this? Okay, so take the next problem. So it is not necessary to solve each and every problem that they have given you the solved one. Let's move to the unsolved. Okay. See the question number 6. Question number 6 is the density of metal is 10.8 into 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. Find the relative density of metal. Okay. You know the density of water. What is the density of water? 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. Okay. Taking this into consideration, you can solve the sixth one. Yes, solve the sixth one, please. Properly लिहायचा आहे and you are going to show me your book now. Write it very properly. You are going to show me your book now. See, they have also mentioned the answer over here. Okay, answer पण मेन्शन केलेला आहे, त्यामुळे ते आन्सर येण्यासाठी तुम्ही काय करायचं आहे, गिवन लिहा. Yes, Mansi. You have to write the given, then formula, then put values in formula, go systematically, okay? And you can write the relative density of metal is dash dash. Please solve it very clearly. You are going to show me your book now. The rest other solved are you will write by yourself, okay? They are solved. You can write them by yourself. But we are going to solve the next now. I have taken the 6 directly before 5 because 6 was the matching with this. Okay, that's why I have taken it very directly. We are going to solve the 5th also and 7th and the 8th one you are going to solve. Fifth one also, each and every type I am going to solve one example and rest one you are going to solve. Okay. After completing, please let me know in the chat box. See it very properly. What they have given, only density of metal they have given. You have to taken into consideration that density of water. What is the density of water? 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. Okay. 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube is a universal density of water. Density of water's universal value. Okay. Make it very perfect. Write given, then formula, then put value in the formula and answer. I'm going to see your book now. Yes, please let me know after completing. Okay, Mansi done. Will you show me a book? Okay, sure. Okay, good. Yes, good. Yes, Karthik, you have also done. Show me a book then.
Miss,
Yes?
teacher, it is the correct method that I have done here.
Yes. Yes, this is the only method. You just have to cancel the 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube and 10.8 is a value. Okay? Okay, Karthik has left, I think. Yes, Rudra, have you completed? Please show me a book.
Yes, miss, just a second. Yes, miss, it is visible.
No? Oh, yes. Okay, I can't see the value. Yes, okay. Yes, please off your camera. Nidhi, please show me a book.
Yes, ma'am.
Please try to show me the formula and value. Okay, yes, this is the correct method. Good. No, Rudra, it's perfectly fine. Okay, done? Yes, this was the same. That's why I have jumped to the sixth one. Let's move to the fifth one again. Okay, so what is given over here? See, word problem is not there, but the problem is in the tabular form. You have to fill the table by finding out a value. Okay, so what is the question? Complete the following tables. What they have given in our first table: mass in the kilogram, then volume in meter cube, and density in kilogram per meter cube. Somewhere you have to find the density, somewhere you have to find the mass. The formula you are going to use will be same. Okay, first draw the table. Okay, stop. No need to write, no need to draw the table. We will take like fifth. From fifth, we will take the first one. Okay. So what they have asked, from fifth, we will take the first one. Okay. So in the first, what they have given, mass. mass in kilogram. Yes. Okay. Tell me, Mansi, what is the first one? How
Yes,
much
teacher.
mass is there?
350.
350. And what is the volume they have given?
Miss, Miss सांगू का?
Yes.
175.
Okay. 175. And what we have to find out?
Density.
Okay. Density is equals to kilogram per meter cube. Okay. So, see, here they have given mass, volume, and density we have to find out. Okay. So, for density, which formula you will use? Who will tell me for density which formula you will use? Yes, Nidhi?
Yes, ma'am. Density is equal to mass upon volume.
Okay. Density is equals to mass upon volume. Now put the values. What is the mass over here? 350. What is the volume? 175. What you will get? What answer you will get? Just write the answer in chat box. 175 divided by, 350 divided by 175. What will be the answer? Yes? Write it in the chat box. Two. Yes. 2. And what will be the unit? Kilogram per meter cube. Okay. Okay. Right. Start writing. Write the problem. Solve it. Write this one, and the second one you have to solve. Second one you are going to solve. Complete this first. In the second one, uh, there they have given you volume and density, and they have asked you about mass. So what you will do? You will take mass as x. So what will be the formula? 4 is equals to, okay, finish, get this finished, and I will solve the next one also. Every time you solve the formula, every time you solve the numerical or problem based in the science, you have to write the given formula and then put a value and find the answer. Okay. Okay, Nidhi has done. Let everyone complete, then I will tell you the next one. Okay, Nancy also. Students who are not responding to my any question, are you writing or not? You all are writing or not? Vedant and Karthik, I am asking. You all are writing? Okay, done. See the next one. Okay. Now what they have given? uh, in the next one, yes, what they have given, please let me know. Nidhi.
Yes, ma'am. They are given volume and density.
Okay, what's the volume?
Volume is 190 and density is 4.
Okay, now and we have to find out mass, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start, students. Here, see here, what they have given us, volume they have given and density they have given. Okay, you will use the same formula. Please write it very clearly. I am going to write the initials only, as I don't have the space. Okay, density is equals to mass upon volume. तुम्ही एकदम पूर्ण फॉर्म्युला लिहायचा आहे, इथे मला स्पेस नाहीये. ओके, so density they have given, right? So density is 4 and mass you have to calculate, and volume has given, it is 190. Okay, so we will assume mass as x. Okay, we will assume mass as x. So if mass is x, what will be the formula? How you will write it? Density is equals to mass upon volume. Am I right? Yes, am I right? Okay, if we assume mass as x, so we will write density is equals to mass upon volume like this. 4 is equals to x upon 190. Okay, now you have to find out value of x. Value of x you have to find out. So this 190 will go upward and will get multiplied by 4. Okay, this 190 will go upward. So what will happen? 4 will be multiplied by 190. Find out the answer very fast. Find out the answer. Yes, 760 kilogram will be your mass. Okay, understood? Yes, write it. Write down. You have to mention that sentence that let x be the mass. Okay, please mention over there. As I do not have the space, I have not written it there, but you have to mention let x be the mass of that substance. Okay, and the density formula also you have to make it very clearly. Density is equals to mass upon volume. Do not write the initial like mine. Okay, and when you complete, please let me know in the chat box so that we can move forward to the next one. Okay, done. Let's take a look at the next one. Okay, so we have completed question number 5. Both we have completed. Okay, so next is uh, relative density. Next table is related to relative density. So what is relative density? Density of substance upon density of water, that we already know. Okay, so let's see. Your first question is density of metal. They have not given us a density of metal. Then density of water is mentioned over here, and relative density is also mentioned. Can you find it? or first I should show you? Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. So you can. Yes, you can. And you're going to show me a book. Okay. Please write in the not in the top tabular form. Write the way I have written, like given density of metal, you have to find out density of water is 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube and relative density is equals to 5. Then formula, relative density is equals to density of substance, that is density of metal, upon density of water. In the first case, you will write 5 is equals to x upon 10 raised to 3. After completing, please let me know in the chat box. Okay, first show me the first one, and the next one you can do it as your homework. Show me the first one. Have you completed? Okay, who else have completed? Please show me. Rudra, show me your book.
Yes, miss. Miss, just a second.
Make it little closer. Show me the answer. Yes, it's 5 into 10 raised to 3. Yes, right? Am I right?
Yes, miss.
Okay. The next is next one you are going to solve as your homework. Okay. Okay, Mansi and Nidhi, you also have completed. Okay. Okay, Mansi, show me your book. Yes, it's fine to 10 raised to 3. But you have to mention it is a mass. So you have to mention kilogram per meter cube. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Yes. Now Nidhi. Nidhi, show me your book. Every time you find out the answer, you have to make sure that you have written a unit of that. Yes, it's 5 to 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. Yes, good. Yes, Karthik, will you able to show me your book? As you were the first to complete this, right? Am I right? Yes, Karthik, will you show me your book? Okay, let it be. Uh, okay, so can you solve the next one in that? It is same like that. There you have to find out the relative density. Yes? Okay. Okay, you have to do it as your homework. Let's see the next one. Next is related to pressure. Pressure is equals to weight upon area. Okay? So let's start the first one. Weight, in the first one you have to find out weight, area and pressure have given. Okay, area is in the meter square and pressure is in the Newton per meter square. See what they have given you. Area. Okay, what is the area? 0.04 meter square. And pressure they have given, right? Pressure is equals to 20,000 Newton per meter square. Okay. Yes, and what we have to find out? The weight. Weight we have to find out. So what formula you will use? Pressure is equals to weight upon area. Hence, pressure is 20,000 is equals to weight will be question mark or x we will get. Okay. And area is equals to 0.04 meter square. So what you will do? You have to multiply 20,000 into 0.04. Yes, please do it. What is the answer? Let me know if you find the answer. Let me know in the chat box. Yes, yes, it's 800. So what will be the weight? 800. Okay. Yes, solve this. Solve this and next one you will solve. See this and solve this, and the next one just you have to find out the pressure, I think, right? Yes, pressure you have to find out. It is clearly mentioned the weight and area and you have to find out pressure. So whenever you complete the next one, you can tell me. You can tell me so that I can check with your books. Okay, if you have done the first one, please solve the next one also, and you're going to show me a book. Nidhi, done both? Next one also you have done? Okay. Okay, let others complete it, then I will check your books, okay? Let everyone complete. Okay, done all of you. Show me a book, please. Okay, one by one, sure. Yes, Rudra, show me a book now.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss. Is it? Are you able to see my notebook?
No?
I'm showing. Now I will
So,
turn
okay,
off my
okay,
video
okay.
and again turn on.
Yes, yes. I think there must be some problem. Yes,
Yes, miss. Now
need,
it is visible.
no, no.
Ma'am, due to rain, I think so my video is
Yeah,
having.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, yes. It's perfectly fine. Nidhi, please show me a book. Okay, now what's the pressure for the next one? Yes, it's 1500 divided by 500. It's 3 Newton per meter square. Yes, good. Yes, Mansi, show me yours.
Teacher,
Yes.
that by mistakenly I solved that second one.
Which one?
That density of metal, that one I have solved.
Okay. Yes, that 8.5 wala.
Yes.
Yes, it's okay. You can solve this.
Yes. Second one, no?
Yes, to find out pressure. Yes, others have completed. Okay, Mansi, you can solve that later on. We will see the seventh one and eighth one. You are going to solve as your homework. Okay. Let's read the problem first. Yes, Nidhi, read the seventh one.
Yes, ma'am. Volume of an object is 20 centimeter cube and the mass is 50 gram. Density of water is 1 gram centimeter cube while the object float on water or sink in water.
Okay, so in this problem, they have given us volume of an object and the mass and volume both are given. Okay, and then density of water is given. They have mentioned, when they mention the density, you have to take it as it is, but they do not, if they do not mention, you have to take it 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, here they have given in gram per centimeter cube. सो जेव्हा मेन्शन केलेली असेल तेव्हा जी दिलेली आहे तीच घ्यायची आहे, पण मेन्शन केलेली नसेल तर 10⁻³ per meter cube you have to take. Okay, and what we have to find out, will the object float on water or sink in water? How we are going to decide this? कसं डिसाइड करणार आपण की ते ऑब्जेक्ट तरंगणार की बुडणार, कसं डिसाइड करणार? Yes, how you will decide? Who will tell this? How you are going to decide that an object will float on water or it will sink? Yes. Why a object sink in water and why a object float on water? Why this happen? Yes, who will tell me? You have answered this many times. What happened now? See. Yes, yes, density, but how? less, more, how they are affected? If density of object is less than water, it will float on water. Okay, and if the density is higher, it will sink. Okay, let's solve the problem. Write the given. Write the given. I'm not going to write now. You write the given. What they have given us? Density of water and volume and mass of an object. Yes. After finishing writing the given, please let me know. Okay, done with the given? Yes. So what formula you are going to use? Let's start. First, we have to find out density of that object. Okay. Density of that object we have to find out. How we are going to find out? Density of that object is equals to mass upon volume. What is the mass? Yes, Mansi, what is the mass?
Oh yes, 50 gram.
Yes, 50 gram. And what is the volume?
20
Yeah,
centimeter cube.
okay. 20 centimeter cube. Okay. So what will be the answer over here? This 0 and 0 will get cancelled. If you divide 5 by 2, what will be the answer? Yes, your answer will be having unit. No, it's not 2. There is 5, not 4. Your answer will be having the unit gram per centimeter cube. Yes, it's 2.5. Okay, you will get the answer 2.5. Okay, so the density we have, okay, the water's density, what they have given us? How much the density of water? Nidhi?
Yes, ma'am. The density of water is 1 gram centimeter cube.
Okay, 1 gram per meter cube. Okay, so now tell me, the density of object is greater or the density of water is greater? Write in the chat box, object or water. Whose density is greater, waters or objects? Yes, object's density is greater. Now tell me, now the object will sink or float? What will happen? It will sink or float? Yes, it will sink. Okay. Yes. So write this and you have to write the density of object is greater than the density of water. Hence the object will sink in water. Okay. Please write. The density of water, sorry, the density of object is greater than that of the density of water. Hence the object will sink in the water. Okay, after completing, please let me know. So the rest of the problems you're going to solve as your homework. Okay, the problems which have remained will you are going to solve as your homework, and the solved one also you have to solve. The given they have solved one, that you also have to solve. Please write the sentences below, that sentence below, that the density of object is greater than that of the water, hence the object will sink in the water. Okay, done. Okay, Mansi, the sentence was the density of object is greater than the density of water, hence the object will sink in the water. Okay, if you have completed, please leave the class, and your homework will be the rest problems you have to solve. Okay,
Bye, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
bye, welcome.
Bye, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Bye.